Hi everyone, happy spring, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Whitney Kometz, a nutrition educator out of CCE, Shenango County, and today I'm going to be making a quick and easy version of some baked beans to make. It's such a beautiful day and I thought this would be something great to add to my dinner meal tonight. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy recipe. Okay, the first step in this recipe, you want to make sure that you cook your ground beef and onions until they're no longer pink and the onions kind of look transparent in a way. Also, you want to drain the fat. And then this is the best part about this recipe. It makes it so quick and easy, especially for a dinner meal. All you do is place all of the ingredients either in another bowl, or I'm going to do it right in a casserole dish to even save myself some less dishes, because my husband is always telling me I'm having tons of dishes when I'm cooking. So I'm going to try to tell him that I'm really better than that. So I have 1 can of kidney beans that I have drained. I'm going to put that in there. I have another can of beans. You could use Great Northern. I used Pinto. It was something that I wasn't able to find a Great Northern, so I thought that would be a great addition. 1 can of pork and beans. Add that all in there. Okay. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, and then I'm going to use 1/2 cup of ketchup. Then I'm going to add in the brown sugar. So I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then also it's going to be 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. The best part about this is all that's in this recipe, and then you're just going to mix it all in. I'm so excited to have this for some dinner tonight. Beans are such a great source of fiber. We have some onion in here. We also have our ground beef. And it's a very quick and easy recipe to make. We are going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. And I am so excited to see what this flavor is like. And honestly, the color is beautiful. You could even add in a pepper too. I'm sure that would be great. I'm always looking for some suggestions too of other things to add into some of my recipes. So if you ever have any suggestions, you're more than welcome to send them my way too. Okay, so here we have it. Again, make sure you have your oven preheated at 350 for 1 hour. And happy spring today. Enjoy this beautiful weather, and I hope you're able to have some great food tonight. Have a great day, everybody.